Hello, today I am going to solve Excel Module 5 Time Project 1A. Our step number 1 is break the external link in the worksheet. So break the external link, go to Data tab and then choose Workbook link and click on this icon and break link and click on break link. So we have completed our first step and then switch to the Manager Information worksheet. So this is our Manager Information worksheet, and our step number 2 is in cell C5. This is cell C5. This is cell C5. Remove the hyperlink. So right click on it and click on remove hyperlink. This one. So we have completed our two step here, and our step number 3 is in cell D7. This is cell D7. Create a hyperlink. To create a hyperlink for email link to the email address. To type here Washington in Washington mgr at the rate example.com, this email, and choose Washington as the text to display. So cut his like this, Washington mgr at the rate example.com, and screen tip, click on screen tip and screen tip, email the state wide manager for Washington, Washington, and click OK, and then click OK. So we have completed our three step here, and our step number 4 is in cell B9 create a hyperlink to the. So go to B9. This is cell B9. Right click on it and click on link, and then link to the file. So click on existing file or web page, this, and click on this one, support file location, this one, click on this one, and then use text as display. So remove this from here and type Narbonne, Narbonne, Narbonne suits location, and screen tip, click on screen tip, view the current list of Narbonne suits locations, and click OK, and then click OK. So we have completed our first step here, and our step number 5 is I added the hyperlink in cell B10. So click on cell B10 and right click on it and edit hyperlink, and display text, change the display text to Narbonne Foods SUIT website like this, and the green tip text is view the public facing website for Narbonne.
Hello. For complete course deal, you can contact us our WhatsApp number. We are helping students to grow their marks in each subject like business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, literature, statistics, economics, mathematics, networking, information, technology, computer sciences, and many more. If you need any help in these courses, contact us at our WhatsApp number. I will help you to grow your exam and marks in each subject.
Narbonne, Narbonne, States, and click capital S. States and click OK and click OK. So we have completed 5 step here, and our step number 6 is group the Idhayo, Monata and origin worksheet. To switch to the click on this one, Idhayo, and press shift and select origin. So we have selected 3 sheets here. Now change the font size in the merge cell A1 to F9. Click on this one and home tab and increase the font size to 18 like this, and apply to F tag A2 to F2, and then cell style 20% S and 6, first one, this one. So our, and then board the value A6 to A10, A6 to select the range A6 to A10 and board them, and apply the accounting number format range. Select the range B6 to A10, B6 to F10, and then apply accountant. Click on accountant and 0 decimal place to decrease this, and apply dollar symbol, this one, and click OK, and refresh the column B12. So click cell, select column B, press shift button and select F like this, and right click on it and column width and type 12 here, and then click OK. So we have completed our 6th step here, and our step number 7 is with the Adhayo Montanta origin worksheet till group update the in cell A6, in cell A6, this is cell A6, change the text in person to walk up, in person to walk up, WALK, walk up like this, and in cell A9 change the text other to read other referral, the referral like this. Do not ungroup worksheet, and our step, so we have completed 7 step here, and our step number 8 is enter a formula in cell B10. In cell B10 enter a formula using the sum function, double click on it and select the range for quarter 1 like this, and close the bracket and press enter. Copy the formula from B10 to C10 like this. So we have completed 8 step here, and step number 9 is ungroup the worksheet. Now we need to ungroup the worksheet, so press shift and right click on Adhayo worksheet like this. So we have ungroup worksheet. So now change, now create a copy of the origin worksheet between the origin worksheet and the, so click on the origin worksheet and right click on it and move or copy this one, and click on this, create a copy, create a copy, and after this, before consolidate worksheet, and click OK, and rename the worksheet Washington, 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 like this, and press enter, and edit a text to display Washington in the name might field here. Type Washington, Washington, like this. Clear the content, clear the content of the range B6 to E9, B6 to E9. Right click on it and clear content. So we have completed 9th step here, and our step number 10 is in cell switch to the consolidate worksheet. Switch to the consolidate worksheet, and in cell A6, this is cell A6, enter a formula without using a one that reference cell A6 in Washington worksheet. So is equal to, and go to Washington and in A6 here and press enter like this, and copy the formula from A6 to A9 like this without formatting. Fill without formatting like this. In cell B6, enter a formula. Hello, today I am going to solve Excel module 5 sample B. Our step number 1 is break the external link in the worksheet. Go to the Excel sheet, and then this is our Excel sheet, and we need to break the link. So go to data tab, and then workbook link. Click on workbook link. Then go here, click on this three dot icon, and click on break link, and then click on break link. After this, then switch to the art pair worksheet. We need to switch to the art pair worksheet. Switch to the art pair worksheet. The art pair worksheet. And our step number 2 is in cell B5, remove the hyperlink, leaving the unlinked text. So we need to, in cell B5, this is cell B5, right click on it and click on remove hyperlink. So we have completed 2 steps here. And our step number 3 is in cell D4, create a hyperlink. So in D4, we need to create a hyperlink using email. So copy this email in part A, copy this email, Control C, go to the Excel sheet, and in D4, this is cell D4, right click on it and click on link, and click on email address, and paste this address that's copied from instruction file. So paste this, and after this our step number part 2 is use info at the rate as the text to display. So copy this, and go to Excel worksheet, and then paste into text to display box, then paste here, Control V here. And after this our step number part 3 is use contact the gateway artware organizer as the screen tip next. So copy this text and paste it into, click on screen tip and paste it here. Control V and click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 3 steps here, and our step number 4 is in cell B10 create a hyperlink to the document. So we need to create a hyperlink for a document link to the file. So go to and use alt pair description as the text to display. So text copy this text and go to Excel worksheet and in B10. This is cell B10. Right click on it and go to click on link and then click on existing file or web page. Click on this and select this file. You have this file downloaded from the same Cengage portal. So click on this, and after this our part B is change the text to display. So remove this text from here and paste, then that's we copied from the instruction worksheet. Copy this, and then our part C is text to screen tip. So copy this text and then go to the Excel worksheet and click on screen tips and then paste it there. Control V and then click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 4 steps here, and our step number 5 is added the hyperlink in cell B9 as follows. So our part A is use out online art pair calendar. So copy this text for text display. So copy this and go to Excel worksheet and in B9. So click on B9. B9, this is cell B9, and right click on it and click on edit hyperlink. This one, edit hyperlink, and then our text to display is we copied from the instruction worksheet and then paste it here. And our part B is to display the calendar of art fair in US as the screen tip. So copy this text and go to the Excel worksheet and then paste it in screen tip and then paste it here. Control V and then click on OK and then click on OK. So we have completed 5 step here, and our step number 6 is group the Chicago, ST Lewis and Minneapolis worksheet together and then make the following updates. So first we need to the group the worksheets. So click on Chicago worksheets, click on Chicago worksheet and then press shift and then click on Minneapolis worksheet. So we have grouped 3 worksheet here. And after this our part A is change the font size in the marged range. So copy this range A1 to F1, copy this range and paste it here, Control V, right click on it and go to home tab and increase the font size to 16 point like this. Click on 16 point, and our part B is apply 20% SN1 set style to the merge cell A2 to F2. Click on second column, this one, select A1 to A2 to F2 and then go to cell style and click on 20% accent one like this. Yeah, this one. Click on this one. So we have completed part B here, and our part C is bold the value in the range. So copy this range A5 to A8, copy this range and go to the Excel worksheet and then bold them. Paste it here and then click on board like this. So we have completed part C here, and our step part D is apply the accounting number format format with two decimal places and dollar sign as the symbol to the range. So copy this range B5 to F9 and then go to the Excel worksheet and then paste it here. Sorry, Control Z. Sorry, 1 second. And then paste the range here and click and press enter. And then format this, click on this icon, number format, click on this icon and go to the accountant and then in symbol select dollar sign, second one, dollar sign in and with two decimal places and then click on OK. And our part B is resize the column width of column B to F to 14. Do not ungroup the worksheet. So click on cell B, select cell B and then press shift and select F, column F like this and right click on it and column width is 14 like this and click on OK. So we have completed 6 step here and our step number 7 is with the Chicago, ST Lewis and Minoni Plus worksheet still group update the worksheet in cell A8 change the text marble to read stone. So copy this stone and type in A8 in A8, this is A8 and paste it here like this. And part B is in cell A9 change the total to read total sales. So copy this and go to the Excel worksheet and in A9 rename total sales and click on enter, click start. So we have completed 7 step here with the Chicago ST Lewis worksheet still group. Create a formula as follow. Enter a formula in cell B9. In cell B9 create a sum formula. Here create a sum type is equal to sum and double click on it and select the range Q1. Select this range B5 B8 and close the bracket and press enter. So we have completed part A and part B is copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. So copy this, click on this plus black icon and drag to E9 like this. So we have completed the 8th step here. Now we need to ungroup the worksheet and check to confirm that the formatting and formulas from step 6 to 8 are present in the. So ungroup this worksheets for we need to right click on this worksheet and then click on ungroup sheets. So we have ungroup this worksheet and now we need to check this our formatting is present or not. So click on this. So we have completed 8th step here and our step number 9 is create a copy of the Minoni plus worksheet and then combine